Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery. And I have 3 funnels. I have used the large one, I have used the small one. The small one I really liked. It was kind of slow for me. But I want to use the medium one. So my plan is to use my, you know what, I'm going to not empty that bottle. I've still got some gold left in here. I've got to mix some more gold up. I bought some outdoor version of the Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold. It doesn't say 24 karat gold, but it looks really similar. We'll see what happens with that. And I am going to give myself the pleasure of whatever occurs to me, not including trailing little things. And I'm going to throw in odd colors. Something a little different than usual. Or maybe not. I'm going to try and shake it up. That's a Mysterious. The dark blue is a Prussian blue. I don't know who made it. They're all the same for me. They all work. I like that. That Mysterious isn't made anymore. This is the Anita's White Metallic. This, I think, is my golden magenta with some iridescent pearl fine in there. I'm just grabbing for whatever looks good to me next. This is my neon purple. It's a multi-surface acrylic. And right next to it is my purple flash, which is a color shifting purple from Folk Art, both from Folk Art. Not sure what I'm going to get. I'm trying to let my muse take over. I'm not thinking too hard about anything. That is some 24 karat gold with some orange in it. I'm almost to the point where I think I can let this go. I'm going to throw some more color shifting turquoise from Folk Art in there. And I'm going to take a chance. I'm throwing a little bit of the Venetian blue in there. And hope that works out. Now my plan is kind of weird. It's definitely a funnel pour. The colors that went in last will come out first. I am going to give myself, wow, do I have enough paint there? I'm going to give myself, I think that's Anita's Black Metallic, to tell you the truth. I'm going to give myself some patterns. And I'm going to try and keep them mostly toward the center of the canvas. That's the Anita's White Metallic again. So, I have no idea what I'm doing, because it's my 4th funnel pour in my life, but I'm going to have some fun. And I'm going to start that way. I may have paint left over. Now, what I really liked was spinning my funnel. And making patterns. And that slip sliding away. And I think doing it in batches is good. I'm not really sure how other people do it. I probably should have put some yellow in there. I'll hope that gold comes out. I'll just try and tip that down a little bit. I love the way this stuff sells. See if I've got any more. A little bit more. And my inclination is to grab. Can I grab it? Ah! It's a long ways away. Grab some more of my purple flash from Folk Art. And some of that Venetian blue too. I'm going to put that funnel right in that cup. And if I need something in there, I will grab it with my spatulas. Princeton Article Catalyst spatulas are on the Amazon link underneath the link tree. It's underneath the video. Okay, so I have done this before, and the best thing that I've done before is to pop the air bubbles in the paint before I begin, and it might even produce some cells. We have some cells. I don't have as many of the colors as I wanted. I don't see my orange in there particularly. I'm not supposed to, okay, I'm not supposed to break the rules. I'm only supposed to use a funnel pour. Let me see if I can find my little pan. That way if I do another painting I can pour this off. I'm loving that blue. I don't do a lot of these. Like I said, this is my 4th one ever. I do want to add, you know what, I'm to heck with it. I want to save that paint over here, so if I add black, then it will allow that next paint to flow almost all the way to the edge, which is why I put it there. I really don't want to waste a whole lot of paint, because I'm loving what I'm seeing. So far, so good. But that did give me the idea to go ahead and give myself some more black. Nita's paint is not very expensive compared to a lot of them, so unless they're out of it, which they have been a couple times, it's not an expensive thing for me to choose to go ahead and use it as a flow agent. Very little do I want to go over the edge. I see something in there that does not belong, and I want it to go away. And where are my tweezers? There they are. I thought it was a thing. It was just an odd-shaped, very odd-shaped cell. I don't want to lose any more of that paint. Right here. So I'm just going to keep cheating. Because that's how I do my funnel pours. I feel messy coming on. I'm pretty sure. Those drips will actually dry in there. Let me take those off for now, so I can continue on my journey as best I can. Still have some place to hold on to. That's pretty cool. Thinking I'm going to risk holding the canvas underneath. I don't want to lose this purple here at all. So I'm going to just use that color again and keep what's left. I got a little over the edge and it looks pretty cool. And that should lead me to my very last areas. And hopefully this works out so I don't need to do anything else to it. Oh no, I'm losing some stuff. I don't want to give it up. I'm greedy. Greedy girl. So, one more spot over here. I could even grab some of that with my little OXO. Whoops. Yep, I'm getting dripped on. I'm going to put that right up there. I'm going to use these gorgeous colors right here. Instead of tipping that over anymore. They're very pink, so I don't think it's going to be a problem. Paint dripping down my arm, that's a little different. Okay, so my edges look fairly decent, and I've got enough paint in my drip tray to use in the spaces that I see that it could use some. And I'm glad that I primed my canvas ahead of time. And I'm looking to see if there's more spots that I need. I'm going to take the paint right off my arm and try and catch those drips with my spatula. Move my drip tray away. This back down here. That is pretty cool. I'm not unhappy with that. I'm going to rinse off my arm real quick. I'll be right back. I hope I started my timer. Yep, I got 5 minutes left. Okay, well, I've seen worse. I've got some more paint right in my beautiful funnel. And I just found a spot I missed, so I'm going to put it right there. My cup is beautiful. Look at that. That kind of makes me want... I don't see any green, and I could blow into this. Oh boy, you know what? I'm just so bad at following other people's instructions. Because I love that green. I don't think that hurt anything. Hope not. I kind of need to break up the uniformity of those droplets though. It's hard. Sometimes I'm trying to do things without being able to see them. Well, I don't know if the patterns would stay in them or not, but I don't want the patterns in there, so I'm just going to give them a little bit of a twist with my skewer. I'd really like to just drag them down that way. Anyway. Yeah, that's not bothering me a bit. Sorry, group challenge. I broke the rules. I want to put some orange in there too, but I don't hate it the way it is, and I'm going to torch right now to release the bubbles caught in the paint. And I'm very happy with that overall. I feel in time I will learn how to layer my colors in the cup so I will get more of what I want out. So thank you guys for sharing my videos. Thank you for liking my videos. I appreciate the thumbs up very much. I really appreciate it when you watch, when you get a notification in the first hour, because that's what tells the YouTube algorithm that you should, or that I should be allowed to have more notifications go out to more people, because while that's not happening, all my notifications to all my subscribers do not go out, and I'm really sorry about that. So, what else? Thank you guys for all the contributions over time to help keep me painting, and thank you for donating through PayPal and Patreon. And if you happen to be somebody who can afford to and you want to help me make more videos, and you do contribute through PayPal or Patreon, you will be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. And the monthly drawing can be found, the prizes for the monthly drawing can be found on the end screens of any video, on the exhibition video. I got a couple little spots that I see the background canvas, and I guess I should be not concerned because it's all going to dry level because of the Floetrol. So that was pretty cool. I don't feel like a cheater much at all, and I feel pretty lucky. They've got some beautiful cells, and I don't mind using up the paint. Still was paint from the funnel pour, so I love you guys. There's almost 90,000 of you. Woohoo! Check my community board for tomorrow's video. Check my playlists for over 1,500 videos organized by genre and by the 100. Thank you guys for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link, because it is at no added cost to you, and it does help me out. And you can find the OXO omelet turning spatula there, and the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula is there. Both paint spreading wonders, this one especially. There's 7 of those. My favorite's the number 1. There it is, right there. I have 2 books. The first one is called Because I Can. The second one is called Unlimited Possibilities. They are both on the Amazon link. Check them out. There's an app, a Kindle app, where you can get a free preview if you want. Under the link tree, the first blue link under the video, most times you will find pixels.com and Fine Art America, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. And under the video, you're going to find a description. Under the description, you're going to find my paint pouring recipe. And what else? I think that's almost it. I always forget something. Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students. Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors, for those of you who get a chance to see the wet and dry artworks that I have posted in the albums there. Yeah, a few spirals. Gotta have them. It's my trademark. What can I say? It's a lot of people's trademarks. Everybody likes spirals, I think. So I love you guys. I do sell my artwork, and I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. My email address is underneath the link tree. It's easpbgallery@gmail.com. And I love you guys so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will see you anon. Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation usually also, wow, I did it again, also has tomorrow's video on it. Let's see if I can zoom in. We got some incredible cells in here. I'll zoom in and then I will turn it around a little. And you'll be gone in a minute. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I will see you anon. We got big cells and little cells and all kinds of cool ropey stuff going on. Bye for now. Priscilla out.